Hello guys, today I will show you how to rename a file by Python. Okay, so let's start. In this project I will use OS. If we want to use OS, we need at first import the OS. So write import OS and you don't need to download the OS, it's a built-in module. Okay, then go to the VS Code and create a new file. Let's say new. Okay, it's a new file. Okay, now create a variable called new name equal. After creating new name variable, we will write R, then colon. R means raw and it will be raw string. Okay, then go to the new and click right click, then click on the copy path. It will automatically copy the path, then Ctrl V for paste. Then create another variable called old name. So it will also raw string, then Ctrl V again, and now we will give it a new name. At first it was new and we give it new file. The new okay, spelling mistake. Okay, the old name is new, but the new name is new file. Okay, then write os dot rename, then give the old name, then the new name, underscore name. Okay, then print it. We already create the new file. Now let's see. Okay, you can see that at first it was new, but now it's new file. Let's create another file called my. You can name it as you wish. Then replace the new and write the file name, read previous file name there, then the new file name. Let's write my file. Now print the program again. Run the program. You can see that it changed. It's renaming. Okay, this way you can rename your file by OS. Okay, thanks for watching.